Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to browse the list of users in Moodle. Browsing the list of users in Moodle allows you to view all the registered users on your site. This can be useful for managing users such as updating their profiles or suspending users' accounts. To browse the list of users, log into your Moodle site and navigate to Site Administration. From there, click Users, and then select Browse List of Users. On the Browse List of Users page, you will see a list of all registered users. You can click on any user's name to view their profile details, including user details, course details or the courses the users enrolled in, badges, and reports detailing their logs in the Moodle site. At the top right corner is the Filter button. You can use the filter options to find specific users. You can filter users by first name, last name, email address, or user details. These criteria can be configured to display data as per the following limits: contains, doesn't contain, is equal to, starts with, ends with, is empty. For example, if you wished to search for all users with @nephiloweb.com.ph in their email address, you should enter @nephiloweb.com.ph in the email address filter and select the contains limit. An additional filter is the last access, custom user profile fields that have been created, and many more criteria. Clicking the Apply button filter will provide you with the generated reports. You can also download table data as CSV, docs and etc. That's it. You've successfully learned how to browse the list of users in Moodle. This feature is essential for managing your Moodle site effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.